Hello, I'm Julian, and today we will do an unboxing for Dji Osmo Action camera. In this video I have some help. I will show you what we have in the package when we buy this camera. This camera shoots 4K at 60 fps and takes 4K photos. It is a waterproof camera. This is what the camera looks like and come with the accessory housing. Okay, let's see what we have in the box. The small one. With this screw we fix the camera with accessories such as selfie stick or something else. And here we have the cable for recharging the battery. This is an accessory to fix the camera on different materials by gluing. This is also a soldering accessory but of a different shape. And here we have the battery. When we put the battery, we have to press a little harder to fix. Not like my assistant. First time when you open the camera, you need to select your language, and after that you need to download the application. This is all for today. I hope my video helped you, and if you like, don't forget to push the subscribe button. Have a nice day.